The first thing to do is identify the equilibrium price and quantity. That happens where quantity supplied equals quantity demanded, and that happens at a price of 30. At a price of 30, we have 220 units supplied and 220 units demanded. Now suppose we institute a price floor of $40. So what happens there? Well, at a price floor of $40, we're going to see 180 units demanded and 280 units supplied. So we have a binding price floor here because the price is above the equilibrium price, and we are going to get a surplus. And that is what we have learned happens when we implement a binding price floor, is we have more units supplied than demanded. Specifically, the difference is going to be equal to 280 minus 180, which is 100. So we have a surplus of 100 units. The government has agreed to purchase all of those at $40. So government's total support payments, 100 units times $40 per unit is equal to $4,000. Now let's look at number 14. We said that in absence of any price controls, our equilibrium price is 30 because at that price we have 220 units supplied and 220 units demanded. Now a price ceiling of $50, a ceiling means the price has to be no higher than $50. So it has to be somewhere at $50 or below. Notice that $30 is already below $50. So this is a non-binding ceiling. A non-binding ceiling does not affect the equilibrium price or quantity. So with a non-binding price ceiling of $50, our equilibrium quantity will remain at 220. Question 15 is similar. We have a non-binding price floor. Again, a non-binding price floor is a price floor that does not actually affect the price. Here, a non-binding price floor would be a floor that is below $30. So for example, if we had a $20 price floor that says you have to charge at least $20, well, our equilibrium price is 30, so that's a non-binding floor. When we have a non-binding price floor or a non-binding price ceiling, it is always the case that equilibrium quantity is unchanged.